So good evening my dear student, myself Dr Apil Sir. Also I am going to solve some numerical problem which are related to set theory. Okay, so hope this video also will be helpful for the students which are pursuing class 11 as well as 12. Okay, my dear students, so come to the question. Here you see which of the following sets are finite or infinite. Yes, they provide some sets here, just we need to mention which are finite or infinite. So my dear student, you see already we have discussed about the finite and infinite sets in the previous lectures. Here I will try to highlight the basic concept on finite and infinite set. You see here guys, a set is said to be finite if it has or if it contains a definite number of elements. Yes, for example, if we consider this set here, you see, suppose this on 1 2 3. Here you see how many elements are there. There are 3 elements are there, 1 2 3. Yes, that means definite number of elements are there, so this is finite. Yes, but if we consider this set, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on go on. Yes, this set infinite number of elements will be there. Yes, infinite number elements will be there, so this is not a finite set. But if we consider this set, suppose A B C up to Z. Yes, up to Z. So here you see only 26 elements will be there. Yes, that means this is a finite set. Yes, so just you think about that. If a set contain definite number of elements, then the set is called finite. Otherwise we call the set is infinite. And guys, also one thing you must remember here, the empty set or null set is always a finite set. You must remember this thing. Okay, so now come to the question number 1. Yes, you see now question number this on, you see here in this question here, the set of months of a year. Yes, set of months, that means just if you collect all the months like January, yes, February, yes, up to December. So how many elements will be there? There will be 12 elements because there are 12 months only. Yes, so definite number of elements will be there, so this is finite. Yes, so that means this set will be finite. Yes, but you see here this set 1 2 3 4 and so on go on. Yes, you see how many elements are there? Infinite number of elements will be there, so this will be infinite. Yes, this is infinite set. Yes, and the third question you see here 1 2 3 4 99 up to 100. Yes, that means how many elements are there? You see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 99 and 100. That means only 100 elements are there. That means definite number of elements is there here. Yes, that means this is finite set. So this question number 3 also will be a finite set. Okay, so now come to the next question. Here you see the set of all positive integer greater than 100. Yes, all the positive integer which are greater than 100, like this one. That means 101, 102, 103, 104. Yes, and so on go on. Yes, you see all are the positive integer which are greater than 100. Now you see how many such numbers will exist here. There are infinite positive numbers will be there which is greater than 100. That means this will be the collection or this will be the set. Now you see how many elements are there. There are infinite number of elements, so that means this set is nothing, this is infinite set. So this set also will be infinite. Yes, this set also will be infinite set. Okay, so now come to the question number 5. Here you see the set of prime numbers less than 99. Yes, set of all the prime numbers which are less than 99. This definitely this will contain a definite number of elements. Yes, you see, because the set of all prime numbers which are less than 99, so definitely this will be definite number of elements, so this is finite set. Yes, so this is the question. Okay, so hope all of you can solve this question. Okay, so now come to the next question. Here you see state whether each of the following sets are finite or infinite. Similar thing they provide here. Yes, you see, just we need to mention here also the finite set or infinite set, which are infinite or which are finite. Okay, you see the first question here, you see the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. So if you draw this on, suppose this is our x-axis this is our y-axis. Now if we draw the lines which are parallel to x-axis, yes, you see this one. So now if we draw the lines which are parallel to x-axis, so now you see how many this type of parallel lines we can draw here, guys. There are infinite number of lines we can draw which are parallel to x-axis. That means the collection of all these parallel lines is nothing, this is an infinite set, because there are infinite number of lines we can draw which are parallel to x-axis. Yes, so this will be infinite set. Okay, so now come to next one. Here you see the set of letters in the English alphabet. Yes, English alphabet. So you see how many English alphabets are there, guys? A, B, C up to Z. So how many English alphabets are there? There are 26 English alphabets are there. So obviously how many elements will be there? There are 26 elements will be there, and which is definite number. Yes, that means this set is a finite set. So this will be finite set. Is it okay? Okay. Now come to the next question here. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Now you see how many numbers are there which are multiple of 5. If we write like this way, here you see a multiple of 5. Okay guys, so just if we write like this way, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, okay, 40, 45, yes, 50, 55, and so on, go on. So you see all are nothing, all are the multiple of 5. Yes, so how many this type of multiple of 5 will exist? Infinite number of elements will be these sets. Yes, that means this is nothing, this is infinite sets. Yes, so thank you.